We've been putting our SafeScanner to the test to collect high-quality in-motion data of city infrastructure. We've been scanning things like pavement data to detect potholes, cracks, any sort of deterioration over time. We can track that data to get a good assessment of what sort of budgeting that there might need to be done for maintenance at a municipal level.
We've also scanned below streets.
Yeah, we've scanned storm drains, and we've been able to detect things like blockages and where damage might exist. And we've even been able to connect those infrastructures to the surface scans that we've taken, kind of creating a mesh of the entire network of assets for municipalities to be able to understand how their systems are working together.
We've been able to collect accessibility data. We can map sidewalks, curbs, and slopes, and check compliance, and highlight maintenance areas.
Whether it's roads, sidewalks, or underground infrastructure, the SafeScanner gives municipalities the ability to have concrete, confident data that they can use to make budgets and plans with.
You just turn on the scanner, you start the scan with the live render on the app, and then you get real-time data from the scan. And the moment you hit stop, you have your scan done.
That's right, real-time, actionable data at your fingertips. The SafeScanner makes it easy to digitize your city.
This is the greatest tool I've ever seen.